Today I woke up in Lebanon again and it's another beautiful sun shining day and I'm super excited because we're off on another adventure. I am here in the car with Fada and Christina and we are currently driving through the mountains. The views here are incredible. I think we're actually pretty high up in the mountain because we are at the same level, if not a bit higher than the clouds. And we just saw an eagle flying in the sky, a real wild eagle just flying around. But yeah, this is amazing so far. Yeah.
Is this a picture worthy place?
Look at the view. So pretty. So cool.
Oh my gosh.
We made it! This looks amazing! I can't believe we made it! This is so beautiful! Oh my gosh. The air here is so fresh. The water feels cool. The air is like crisp on my skin, but it's nice. Wow, this is so insane. I love that in the cliff over there, the water is coming out of like a cave in the cliff, and there must be tunnels in there that the water is flowing through when the snow melts after winter. Yeah, the water is like so powerful. Ah, this is amazing. That's our taxi driver that got us here. Alright, so I'm going to get a photo now with Christina just here on this rock, and we're going to get the whole waterfall behind us. So I'll put in the images now so you can see what they look like. I mean, hopefully you can hear me because this water is so loud. I can't even hear myself talk. We are hiking down to the waterfall right now. There is a rainbow just there. It's so pretty. We just wrapped up taking photos here at this amazing location. I cannot believe we're here. It's so pretty. I constantly have to wipe my lens every like 5 seconds because the spray and the mist from the waterfall is like covering the lens and making it all foggy, but it's so worth it. I mean, just look at this place. Alright, we're gonna hike back up now. We are getting our last waterfall shots of the day. At this restaurant, we just had dinner and we ran out to take photos in this beautiful sunset, and now we have some dessert. Looks pretty good. Ooh. Say hello. Hi.
So happy. Why is this place
And
so
Christina's back. She's back. We just got back to the hotel room after a massive date today. I just wanted to talk to you about the internet here. Oh my god. So the internet is ridiculously slow in Lebanon, and Christina and I have been just struggling to upload anything. I have to upload high-res photos, and we update our Instagram stories and stuff every day as well. And let's just say that has not been possible while we're here. We've like spoken to everyone, and apparently Lebanon is just known for having bad internet infrastructure. But I'm just trying to upload. That's my voice. I'm just trying to upload a Instagram video, and I literally I literally have to post one thing, wait about 15 minutes for it to upload, and then upload the next one. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. My computer went to sleep, but I don't know if you can see there. It says 2 files remaining, 1 hour left, and it has been uploading for about 20 minutes already, and then my computer went to sleep by accident, and now it still says an hour. Oh, now it says 44 minutes. I don't know. It's weird. It's really weird. Hey, that's what we've been struggling with while we're here. I mean, just never take fast internet speeds for granted. Dubai, they had like the fastest internet ever. Like 50 photos would upload in like 5 minutes. It was so good. So we have to be a little bit more selective with what we upload here. But basically, I am just getting ready for bed. I was editing those photos, which are now uploading. I am slowly updating my Instagram story. I think I've got like, one more post left to do, so I'm ready for bed now. But I had such a fun day today. I really hope that you enjoyed watching my vlog. I hope that I filmed everything. Honestly, we've been having like the biggest days that I can't even remember like what I filmed by the end of the day. Like it's just, I don't know, it's been crazy, but good. I love going out and exploring and taking photos, and it's just been a really wonderful experience with Christina being here in Lebanon. I love it. But please subscribe to my channel if you like my vlogs. I put out new videos twice a week, and leave any comments, any questions you might have, and I'll see you guys all next time. Good night.